hair loss in men, it's basically a combination of genetics and hormones. We are all born with our genetic makeup. A lot of men have the genetics for hair loss. It comes from both sides of the family. There's a myth there that it can come from the mother's side. That's not true. It can come from either one. It usually comes from a combination of factors. And then after puberty, we have a hormone called DHT, dihydrotestosterone, which is from testosterone, and that binds to the hairs that are genetically susceptible to the hair loss. And then over time, those hairs will become weaker, and weaker, and we have thinning of hair, eventually baldness. In women, DHT also plays a role. There's also a type of genetic hair loss in women, but usually the hormonal factors are much more complex, so it requires a more steadfast approach, sometimes a bigger investigation of the causes, but that's the overall causes of hair loss.